One of my favorite hair color trends this spring for 2024 is syrup blonde. It is the most delicious, glossy, golden tone of blonde that you can imagine, and it's really suitable for many people. The key here is there's not super high contrast, there's not really bold dimension or lots of low lights. It's a very vanilla-y, creamy tone to the hair with that really intense gold, but it's absolutely not copper. So if you're nervous about being ginger, don't be. This is a really lovely, glowy kind of shade of blonde, and it is proven to make the hair look as glossy and as healthy as it possibly could in that lighter level. If you're already quite a light blonde, this can be something that you can test out with your next salon visit by simply incorporating a more golden toned toner after your regular highlight appointment. But whatever you do, don't use purple shampoo afterwards, because that's going to very quickly neutralize that shininess and glossiness and give you something more muted and more neutral. This is a really fantastic choice for anyone whose blonde's feeling a little bit dull or a little bit grey. This is a really good way of bringing life back into the grey cold months and bringing some warmth for spring.